called MCAPS. Please, good morning.
Nakabanaw sa laban.
At last, nakakain na. Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph. Today, nasa swimming competition tayo ni Elise. This is called MCAPS. It stands for Mabalacat City Association of Private Schools. So basically, all the private schools here in our city, maglalaban-laban sila. Tapos once na okay, like nakapasok ka, nanalo ka, then that's the time you'll compete with the public schools in the same city. And then after that, parang regional na ata. I'm not quite sure. Hindi ako masyadong familiar. Ang alam ko lang is MCAPS. Nung panahon ko kasi, ang tawag dito North Zone kasi lumalaban nung kapatid ko. So, I'll show you. We're here now in Blue Coconut. So, ayan. Nasa Blue Coconut kami. And nando si Elise. Medyo kabado si Elise. Tapos nineglet siya parang 2 days before the competition. Feeling ko sobrang kaba din. And pagod na din at the same time. I am so proud of Elise just reaching this point. So, ayun. Anyways, super hot ngayon. And I just wanted to share na ginamit ko tong Bello Sun Expert. So, ito lang naman lagi din ang ginagamit ko. And then for my lips, alam nyo, may na-discover ako sa Careline. I use this serum water tint. Ang ganda niya, guys. I super love it. Tapos, ano siya, long lasting siya. And hindi siya super dry. Kasi 'di ba sa mga water tint, usually, or sa mga, 'di ba usually sa mga tints, super drying siya sa lips. This one hindi kasi it's a serum water tint and sobrang nagtatagal siya sa lips ko. So, yun lang. Punta ko na si Elise. Hindi ako makapag-video masyado doon kasi may sounds. Alam mo naman, baka maban tayo kay YouTube. So, yun lang. See you later! Please, good morning.
Di ba pag kumakain ng egg, alisin mo yung... Yes! Ayoko na. Hoy! Ito tutulungan ka. Ang hirap eh!
Video to. Galaw kayo.
Nakabanaw sa laban!
Ikaw. Imimit.
Resume tayong 12:15.
Are you nervous?
Maybe. The pool is 30.
It's her competition.
It says Blue Coconut, but it's
Team attack, we need 12 of 15.
there's a crocodile there. Kasi ate. Tinapans ko ng logo.
Dad is in the car.
Where's... I don't... Mommy, why it doesn't look so weird?
Swimmers for the boat number 59 and 60. Sir Butterfly Secondary Boys and Secondary Girls, please proceed to the red bench now.
You're the flyer, you're the back,
You're the bread and you're the tree, okay?
Tintang baby. Finisher. Finisher. Elise. Mom's here. Say hi. Ayan na lang. Dala lang.
Take your mark.
On deck are the swimmers for the event number 56 4 by 100 meters medley relay, elementary girls, heat 1 on lane number 5. We have the chairs Cassandra, Salingan Queenie Zel, Betco Isabel Alia, and Conshare Elise Alexia from MHCS.
Are you ready?
One time.
At last, nakakain na siyang chips.
Palagi kami second.
Masaya, di ba? Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph. I'm with Sefi.
Hi guys.
We're about to pick up Elise kasi nag-swimming training siya today. Si Joseph, he did not attend kasi meron siyang choir practice later. So, he needs to rest. Sundin namin siya and then uwi na kami after. Tapos later, mga around 6 o'clock, si Joseph naman ang ihahatid ko. So, ano ka lang ba mag-shoutout kayo?
Shoutout. Hi guys, how are you? Shoutout sa madam ko. Madam Mercy.
Ano? What are... Hello po. Ay, that's mine. That's mine. Mayari ko po kasi.